So it's the best thing, it's the best brand that I ordered from Hohem. Hohem is a brand from China. So by Amazon I ordered this thing. You can see the box, it's a pretty good box. They are giving me the package. So just within one day I get this item, just that I ordered this thing. So let's open the box. So many packages inside because of damage will appear, that's why they put some packages inside some ways. So this is the pack, the main package. You can see the pack, it's normal packing. You can see this is Hohem iSteady pro2 super lightweight. And welcome back. This is the iSteady pro2. You can see this 3-axis handle stabilizing gimbal for the action. It's one of the best stabilizer for the GoPro. You can see this. Actually, by the way, I'm using Gopro Hero4. So this is the best stabilizer for the GoPro to take the vlogging and cinematic shootings and everything. I'm just opening the package of this box. iSteady pro2 3-axis handle stabilizing gimbal. It's a gimbal, very best gimbal that you can use in a GoPro. You're gonna see the packing. You're gonna see the main case for this. This is the Hohem. You can see it, Hohem. It's just written C. It's Hohem. You can see in the light, it's the brand name of this. Very good brand. This is the control button, you can see it. This is the control that you can use all over here. 170-degree, 320-degree rotation. This is the power off and on button, and this is the mode, you can change it. And here you can fix one tripod, and you can fix in the bicycle or in the car. You can remove this also, by the way. This is for the USB, normal USB, to transfer your things over there or charging something. And this is the charging area. And here you can fix the tripod for this one, and you can fix it like this. Because once you wanna vlog still block you want to do it, so you can keep in the wall or the road in the somewhere, and you can stand it like this, and you can do like this. It will stand and you can shoot the videos. So this is the, we can say that this is the best for the GoPro. If you want to use a stabilizer, this is the best one. You can buy it. It's a very good one. This is the charging indicators, you can see it all over here. And here they are giving a USB port, two kind of USB port they are giving. It's a two type USB port, you can use it for charging purpose. This is also a normal USB port they are giving for charging purposing. And this is the tripod that they given to fix over down into the stabilizer, and this was a good case, you can watch it. This was a good case, the case with some like a cotton fabric they're giving the case. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. See you soon, goodbye.